Hi guys, welcome back to Houston DIY. My name's Matilda.
My name's Ben.
And today we're unboxing this kid's printing camera.
Okay, so as Matilda said, we've been sent this kid's printing camera. So it's an instant printing camera and it's come in, what colour is it, Matilda?
Blue.
In blue. So you can get different colours. You get pink, lilac, is that? Grey, and then the blue colour. It's like a really light blue. Let me show you the box there. So different colours, we've got the blue one. So in this video, I'm going to unbox it, check it out, and give it a go. So Matilda's going to do the unboxing first, so go for it, Matilda. So it should just lift off, I think. There you go, like that. Yeah, go for it. Oh wow, that's cool. So let's have a look. So we've got some
stickers.
Some really cool little stickers, which you can decorate your camera with, I guess.
Some instructions. This is really cool.
Instruction manual. So I think that's the printing paper. Oh, so it prints on paper. So we've got printing paper there.
I think this is like a little lanyard.
Lanyard, so it's nice safety strap lanyard for it, for the camera.
A charger.
Excellent.
And some little pens.
Some little pens you can decorate your prints with. So what's the camera like? So let's have a look at it. Okay, so we've got, let's feel it. So it's not too heavy, so it's really easy for children to use. And then you've got obviously the lens at the front there. You've got the screen at the back, which will show you what you're looking at through the camera. And it's got some different buttons on there to do the different settings. So what we'll do, we'll get things charged up on the camera. We'll have a quick read through the instruction book and then we'll give it a go. So we'll be back in 1 minute.
We fit on the lanyard so you can wear it around your neck safely. Okay,
so we've got the camera charged at the moment. Just one thing to mention, I did get an SD card, one of my own, but it actually comes with an SD card already in there. So you've got a 32GB memory card already in there, which is brilliant. So you can take photos on this, it will save it to the SD card, and you can transfer them to your computer or your phone, anything you want, which is really good. But you can also print onto thermal paper. So the thermal paper, you get 3 rolls with it. You can buy more rolls, but you get 3 quite long rolls here. So we'll just show you how to fit it now. So the bottom compartment, just there, comes open. And in the instructions, it tells you exactly how to do this. So you pop the thermal paper in, you have a little bit hanging out, and then you close it shut, so you've got some hanging out like that. And then you can then go through the camera and actually take a picture and print it, which Matilda is going to try and do now. So Matilda, go for it. You turn the camera on. Is it already on? So Matilda's turning the camera on now. So the camera's coming on now. As you can see on the screen there, it's a nice noise. Nice colourful screen on there. It's not touch screen, but you use the buttons around the screen. Matilda's going to go into the camera. Okay. So you can see on the screen, take a picture. So do you want to take a picture of me, Tilda? Yeah? So you take a picture at the button on the top, is that? See the picture of that one there? That's it, keep your finger away. Take a picture. So you got a picture now? Yeah. Okay.
So it's printing.
So the picture's now printing. So we'll see if it works.
Oh. Then cut it off.
There's a picture of me printing out there. It's a little bit bright in here for a picture with with that thermal printer. But there we go, it's printed out. So hopefully we can just tear that ever so slightly. That tears off. And we've got a picture of me. Let me hold that up to the camera. So it's the first picture we took. So we'll take a couple more pictures now off camera and then we'll come back and show you the pictures that we've taken. Okay, so me and Matilda, we've done a few pictures. Well, Matilda's done a few pictures now. We've been through the settings, got everything set up in there. So you can change the date and time, and you can put a date and time stamp on your picture. You can change the image quality, the video quality. So any picture that you take or any video that you record does go onto the camera. So we'll just show you on screen there. Hopefully you can see we're viewing a previous picture on there. So you can print the picture, it also saves it on there, which means you can transfer them off here onto your PC or your phone. So really good, really easy to use camera, really responsive, really good for kids to use. It's really nice and simple to use. But Matilda's done some printouts and she's done some decorations. So Matilda, are you going to show what you've done? Yeah? Yeah? Okay, which one are you going to show first?
Nice.
So yours, yeah? So hold it up to camera. So you've done a picture of yourself and used the pens and the stickers. To put it a little bit closer for you.
It was in a dot mode. It was in a dotted mode.
So you can see the quality is pretty good. It's a nice thermal black and white printout, but then you can decorate it yourself. So that's Matilda looking great. And which one have you done, Matilda?
Yeah.
Let's have a look. Put that a bit closer, shall we? You're doing a crazy picture of me. So the quality is really good. And it really gives you good options to be able to print them and then decorate them and colour them and maybe then stick them in a book or stick them on your wall, but also saves the picture onto the camera as well. So a cool little gift for a child, maybe a birthday present.
Yeah.
Definitely, really good. And if you were maybe a younger child that's wanting to start using a camera, it'd be a great starter camera. So it is from, what age is it for, Matilda?
3+.
3+. So it's nice and big, the buttons are nice and big to use. It's not a touch screen, so you can't accidentally touch the screen. It's got a selfie camera and a forward-facing camera. So overall, really, really good. Okay, overall, really great camera, really well built. As I say, perfect for younger children as well, just to get used to cameras. So I definitely recommend this product if you're looking for something like this. Matilda, anything else from you?
Please like and subscribe. Bye.